On today's video, I'm going to be showing you my brand new competition trailer. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing, because today I'm going to show you our new barbecue competition trailer. And it's just right in here. But first, I want to show you what I got going on right in this room. And hey, leave me your honest opinion too. All right, let's go take a look. It's dark. So yeah, this is it. This is my baby. I'm thinking about doing a couple different things. Obviously, big old TV, 70-inch, I'm thinking. Maybe a TV down there. Let me show you down here though. This my buddy Kevin made, man. He did an amazing job. So I got a new fridge. This will be the beer fridge. Thinking about putting a TV right here. Maybe a 40-inch. But my dilemma is down here. I want to put a golf game right here. I'm thinking about like a golden tee. But my question is, if I put a golden tee there, can I have a dartboard here, or should I go ahead and put another TV there? So yeah, let me know in the comments. What should I do? Golf game and dartboard, or golf game and TV? You know, I know, third world problems. I hear you. So let's go take a look at the trailer. So bam, there she is. Brand new Jambo, 30-inch Jambo too. This is a good one. We put a nice toolbox back here for carrying charcoal and wood. Wish we'd get the razor on it. You guys have seen this pit, and you've already seen this one too. This is my buddy Travis's. We're going to be getting that one out of here. So what do you think, man? Vino's trailer. Let me show you the front. Got a door in the front. Boom. I'll take you inside though. But yeah, this is it, man. This is it. Just put that jack on. My boy Dr. Allen put that jack on. His remote control. It's a nice freaking jack. But check this out. I've never seen this on a competition trailer. Can you just get a gander at that? Can you see that? That's a rubber mat for standing back here all them hours. Lights. And he even put these lights in. Let me see if I, hold on. Let's see if I can you see them? You see that little light? So when you open the pit, you can see straight into the pit. What do you think of that? That's pretty cool, man. Old Dr. Allen, he come up with that on his own. So this is the Jambo. It's got the boiler door. Let me show you the good stuff. I'll show you the good stuff. I should have turned the air conditioner on. Woo! This is clean. Clean. Alright, so here's what we got. Cabinets up top. Cabinets down low. A brand new stainless steel countertop. Brand new stainless steel sink. Got the little sprayer hose. The thing I like about this is, at a competition, you can get full pans down in here. But here's something really cool. Can you see that down in there? You see that guy? See that guy right there? That right there, along with these batteries, allow me to run that fridge 100% of the time going down the road. This is just a regular old fridge that was in here though. Freezer. But how nice is that? Run the fridge while you're going down the road. And it runs off batteries too. And they also run these lights 100% of the time. We put all 4-foot LEDs in here. So that's nice. 4 foot, you got 2 4-foots in the back, 2 4-foots in the main cabin, and 1 4-foot up in the front. But this is where it's at. Let me show you. This is where all the good stuff goes down. So once again, brand new stainless steel countertop. All the storage down below. I don't know what that is. Found some gloves down there. But all brand new. New Pit Boss rub holder. New Pit Boss glove holder. New magnet for all the knives. This is a must right here. I don't use, I maybe use one or two of them, but I absolutely love them for my grinders, for grinding rub. If I got to use an electric knife, radios, TVs, just whatever. But yeah, this is it, man. If you guys got any questions about this interior, leave me a comment down below. Leave me a comment if you got any questions. All this stuff was put in aftermarket. This is a 2015 trailer I bought used, and then we just put all this stuff in. But we took it to the guys out at Elk City. They did all this stuff. They mounted the pit. Oh yeah, don't let me forget. I gotta show you something on the pit too. You see it? Right there? You see that little guy right there on top of there? That's the smokestack on top. And guess what? It turns with the wind. And when I'm going down the road, it just turns around backwards. So whichever way the wind is blowing, that smokestack will turn, so I never have to adjust it. Yeah, that's freaking awesome. I've never seen no one do that either. But guess what? In about a month, they'll all be doing that. Because that's a genius idea. Thanks to my boy, Dr. Allen. He's smart, man. Pick him for information if you know him. I love this, and I'm gonna need your opinions on this. Let me just show you the sleeping quarters, okay? So this is the sleeping quarters. This is the part I'm really not too happy about that being right there. But you know what? Honestly, it kind of is what it is. I'm thinking about putting a curtain across here. That'll fix that. But look at this: hand wash sink, full size shower. Let me see if I can get in there. Full size shower, full size, and that's a brand new high pressure water thingy dilly whacker. And this is what I'm most happy about. You see it? 2 AC units, 2 of them up in this sucker. That's what I'm talking about. 2 AC units. You got this for Dr. Allen. Satellite TV. Dr. Allen hooked that up. But yeah, I'm thinking about putting just a curtain right across here, just so you don't got to look at that. Bunk beds. Love these bunk beds. These are also handmade too. We make a lot of this stuff. I actually don't. Alan does. He's super crafty. But these will hold up to 500 pounds. Oh, this is also brand new too. Need to pull the stuff off of it. So yeah, plug-ins. Each bed has a plug-in. So I'll put my I got a little shelf up here that'll hold my cell phone. Plug in, boom. That's nice too. Here it is from the other side, and here it is from this way. This light is bright. Oh yeah, look here. Nice little closet. Yeah. Store some stuff down in there. So that's it. This is my new barbecue trailer. I don't know what else I could show you. I've showed you all the inside. Showed you the pit. So hey man, and don't forget, new merch is out. Link down in the description. Well hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. And as always, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!